Hello guys, welcome back to Coding Race. In this video, I will teach you how to animate a plane. So I have opened the Tupitube desk. I will use this software to make the animation. So you can see some options here. Just click on this file, new project. Okay. So this is our editing interface. So first we want one background. Yeah, and select this object selector, drag it, and yes. Okay, this is our background. Then next we want to import our plane. Yeah, okay, and I'm going to place it here. Okay, then you can see this twinning. Just click on it, motion twinning. Just double tap it, select this object, set path. Then you can see one green dot here. Just click here, 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 here. So I have set the path of the plane, and starting frame 1, path, thickness, all are set. Then you can see one tick button. Just click on it. Okay, then I'm going to click on this player. Oh, background, and you want to go to the frame. And then you want to select this object selector. Just click on it, and just click on this copy. Just click on right button, and you can see paste in. I'm going to paste in 50 frames. Yeah, that's perfect. Then yes, yeah, it is working perfectly. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, and like the video. If you want more interesting videos, subscribe our channel.